Hi, this is Eric Ringer for IPD term 1409, and this is my walkthrough video for my proof of concept for the SF IndieFest app. So I have it on the simulator and the emulator. Yeah, oops. So oh wait, here's the home page. They're a little different. I'm finding that because, iOS and Android are different, so trying to make them look exactly the same, I don't know if it kind of takes away, so I kind of want to still give it the Android feel and then have the iOS version still have the iOS feel. So this would be the home page. This would have the current festival that it's going to be uh, doing, and this is from last year, Another Hole in the Head. This is the festival that's coming up next. So they both have a navigation drawer. There it goes. So once again, a little differences here. I've been trying to work on getting these images to appear here. I just haven't quite figured it out yet, but I hope to have that done, these little icons, by this weekend. But they're pretty much the same: home, film, schedule, search, comments, and about. So if we go to films, and then films here, so it gives a list view or a table view of all the films. Yeah, and it scrolls. So we click on a film. So it has the name up here. I just haven't had time to. I added the synopsis and the date and time that it played last year to the iOS. I just haven't had time. I hope to have that for the Android by this weekend too, with all the films and everything. But if you click on trailer for both, it opens up to the YouTube page of the film's trailer. So they both do that. So that's working. And also with the buy tickets, since currently there is no festival, it just goes to the Brown Paper Tickets, which is the website where during the festival, you would be able to purchase tickets. So you go back, and then I still need to add a location, which would open up a map view of the theater location with the address, and it would also have turn-by-turn directions. Haven't added that yet. I forget. That should be added for either the alpha or the beta. I forget which one. I think it's the beta. So let's go back to the home page. So we go back to, so we have schedule, which this would have all the dates and times of the films. Currently I don't have anything in the iOS. I haven't set that up yet. And then I just have a calendar in the Android. And then we have a search section, which they would be allowed to search, and they can enter any actor or director name, and then it would pop up film information about that actor or director. So that's kind of get you an idea how that's going to look if that's currently not working. And then the comments, which I had placeholder text here, but it doesn't seem to be appearing. I will fix that, and we'll say enter comments here, just like it says it here, and then it will appear either down here. I'm still debating on whether this will be a list view, and then you'll be able to share to Facebook, and so you can enter, so you can see the comments you made about the film, and you can share it if you want. And then we have about, which there's nothing in the about. So the about is going to tell you a little bit about SF IndieFest, and then it's going to tell you about the coming soon, which would be the next festival, and it would also be any events or anything that's upcoming. would be. And then it would also give notifications about upcoming events, just kind of remind people that an event is coming up, and just to keep in touch with the audience. So that is it for right now. I got sick, so it kind of put me behind, but this gives you a general idea of what it's going to look like. I still have to make some fine tuning and stuff with the design and everything, and then get the rest of the apps or the different features and stuff working, or the side features. I have the main core features, which is the films. That works. I just have to add the rest of the films, and then linking up the synopsises, and adding the images, which I haven't done yet. But that should be all done by the weekend. So that is where I'm at right now for my proof of concept. I hope this is enough for now, but I will be adding much more in the next week. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next week.